Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix an Diablo's issue. So the issue which we are facing in our Diablo 4 game is that the game crashes and shows an error code 316719. So in this video we're gonna see what this error code says and how we can fix this issue. So if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So now before moving further, let's talk about the error code 316719. So the error code 316719 occurs due to instability of server. It means there is no fault of yours in this error. It is game's problem, but sometimes it is also due to your internet connection. This error mainly occur while leveling up character and after character creation, and also it may occur during start of the game. And if you are willing to fix this, then I am sorry because you can't fix this. There is no another way in spite of accepting the message and restarting your game, because the error caused by the game due to high load on the servers. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.